Welcome back. Today we're going to have a very special repair. We're going to be fixing this epic 7900 XT, which is garbage because anything that goes after XTX is a factory defect. Let's look around. Look at this gorgeous graphics card. OMG. And look, we have damaged PCI Express hook. Can this be fixed? I don't want to fix this and I need some motivation. So slap like button to motivate me with this repair, or I will throw this GPU into the trash can and charge customer a repair attempt fee. Let's take it apart. Maybe we'll find pieces of gold inside and sell it on a black market. Or maybe the market is white. That would be a racist market. Stop staring at my face and slap the like button instead. Be productive. Now, we need to remove these chips and the core from the board to make sure that there are no ripped pads, which I'm sure there are many. So let's do it. And don't forget to subscribe to give me motivation to go deep into the depths of this very complicated repair. Or I will follow your home and kill your dog. These chips have lots of ripped pads. Epic failure. Not good. Customer gonna have to pay for 2 chips. 200 likes and customer no pay. So slap like button. So customer no pay. The board looks good. No ripped pads. Perfect. Good board. Good core. AMD fans happy. If you are AMD boy, slap a like and subscribe. Now let's fix the crack. Epic failure. Too much damage. Board is twisted. Even if I fix it, it will break the moment they will insert it into the motherboard. Like this. Even if they use a riser, like this, it would still break the day you fart on it, which makes this repair epic failure. And it's your fault. You didn't slap like button hard enough. So slap it now and leave your angry comments below. Goodbye. No explosions. Your fault. Slap your mama for bringing you into this world. Are you ready for the epic explosion of this 7900 XT? Do you think it will blow? Let me know in the comment section below. Here goes nothing. I told you, nothing. No power draw. Missing voltage on this inductor. Not good. Now, let's see if it works. OMG, it posts. Testing all phases. Make sure they all work, and they work. Incredible repair. Slap like button if you agree. And don't forget to subscribe so I do more impressive repairs. This repair took 2 days, and I've only made enough money to feed myself. No money left to feed my pussy. So help to feed pussy. 100,000 likes to help to feed the pussy, so she won't starve to death. Goodbye.